Okay, we're gonna do today on Metal Sciences. We're gonna make a
Balls.
do-it-yourself ball lab. They got this for Christmas. First of all, you take apart these pieces, and we're gonna snap it together. Okay. Let's record. How you snap it together? It's a good question. Oh, like that. Then you gotta choose the color. Okay, which color should we do you think?
Green.
Green. We can do a couple different colors. Let's do green. How about purple? Maybe a little bit of yellow. Oh, we need scissors, yeah. Good idea. Okay, we got green. What color we got? Oh, purple.
Do you think the ball is filled yet?
Nope, it's not. Now it is almost. Okay, now we're gonna put some water in a cup. We'll just use tap water. Because that's easier. Didn't say to use a special kind of water.
How long
And then
does
we're
it
gonna leave it
sit?
in here. Slowly submerge capsule in water. Let capsule sit in water for 10 minutes. Okay. Slowly submerge. So that's slow, I guess. Okay, we'll come back in 10 minutes. Right?
Yep.